Hello. In this video, you'll learn exactly what the Mortgage Magic System is and why it's so effective at providing a secure financial future and a better retirement. Now first, I want to tell you what the Mortgage Magic System will do for you. The Mortgage Magic System will save you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars on your mortgage. It will help you quickly reduce and eliminate your credit card and other debts. It will help protect your family and your home from foreclosure should you lose your job. Best of all, it will enable your retirement account to grow to a high six-figure amount, even $1 million or more for many people. And when you retire, you'll have more net spendable money because the Mortgage Magic System will help protect your retirement savings from reduction caused by taxes when you withdraw the money. Now in the rest of this video, I'm going to explain exactly how the Mortgage Magic System works and why it's so effective at providing a secure financial future and a much better retirement. This chart represents the retirement savings of an average worker making between $60,000 and $80,000 a year. Notice that it tops out at about $65,000. Now these numbers come from an analysis of nearly 22 million people in over 56,000 employer-sponsored 401k plans done by the Employee Benefit Research Institute. Of course, your situation may differ, but these numbers represent the average. We might expect to see higher averages because the investment community has provided all kinds of ways for people to invest. Conventional advice is to invest in stocks through a 401k or IRA. Brokerage firms now promote their trading platforms, but fewer and fewer people have enough money to retire at 65. Now, why do you suppose that is? This will give you a clue.
A lot of people are like, aren't you too young to invest in the markets? And, A, don't worry about it. I just look young. I mean, you don't know how old I am. And B, I use E-Trade, so check it. Click. I just bought stock. You just saw me buy stock. No big deal.
The Dow tumbled more than 500 points.
The Dow fell by 4.4% today, more than 500 points.
Filed for bankruptcy.
The worst one-day point drop since 9/11.
Lehman will be liquidated.
Merrill Lynch was meanwhile swallowed up by Bank of America.
Insurance giant AIG is the next name on the list of troubled companies.
The biggest buyout of a brokerage house in history.
Bear Stearns, Lehman Brothers,
AIG,
and Merrill Lynch.
Whoa.
Here's more.
How do you trade? With Scott Trader's streaming quotes, any way you want. Fully customize it for your trading process. From thought to trade on every screen. And all in real time. Which makes it just like having your own trading floor right at your fingertips.
At Scott Trade, $7 trades are just the start.
Great, but what if you need help with those charts?
Hi, Rebecca here. Everybody talks about technical analysis, but very few people actually understand it. Lucky for you, I'm one of those people.
Really? Now this should concern everyone who wants a secure financial future, because despite all the tools that the financial community has made available, the average worker still has less than $65,000 in their retirement savings account when they're ready to retire. Now, in comparison, here's why the Mortgage Magic System virtually guarantees far more money in retirement savings and a secure financial future. Remember, this system is based on solid arithmetic, not market timing. And you don't take on market risk as you do with almost every other investment planning system. In fact, the Mortgage Magic System reduces risk. And you'll see why in a moment. This chart shows a conventional mortgage paid off in 30 years, shown in red, compared to the same mortgage using the Mortgage Magic System that's paid off in about 12 years. The timing is different for everyone, so yours may be more or less. You can find out how many years you'll save when you sign up for your free trial. After 30 years purchasing the home and using the Mortgage Magic System, retirement savings grow to over $800,000. And you can do this without risking money in the stock market, spending thousands of dollars paying for stock trades, or losing money in trading positions. Where did this money come from? This homeowner saved 17.5 years of mortgage payments and $238,000 of mortgage interest. The retirement savings are the result of those $238,000 that didn't go to pay mortgage interest. You know, it's really amazing how much money you can build up after accelerating your mortgage. Now, how's that compare to the average $65,000 retirement account? And here's something else you should know about the Mortgage Magic system. And that's how it protects you if you are laid off and lose your job. You know, sometimes people get laid off after 12 or 15 years in their careers, even at the same company. If this were to happen to you, you'll probably need to raid your retirement savings to try and save your home, even if you receive unemployment benefits. Those benefits cover the minimum required to survive, but are nowhere near enough to meet monthly mortgage payments as well. Using the Mortgage Magic system, you probably won't have a mortgage payment at that point in your career, so you'll be able to make ends meet with the unemployment alone, and you won't lose your home or your retirement savings. And we're not done. Remember that large retirement nest egg you'll have? Well, when you withdraw that money after retirement, you'll lose a good chunk of it to taxes. But not if you use the Mortgage Magic system. And here's why. When you begin using the system, we'll provide you with a low-cost term insurance policy. This policy not only provides family protection, but it has a special feature that enables you to convert it to a whole life policy. You'll make this conversion when your mortgage is paid off, around year 12. Here's the great part about how you'll have protection of your retirement account as well. Here's how this works. Bob Jones converts his term policy at age 39, when his mortgage has been paid off. Bob's monthly premium is $560, which he's well able to afford since his mortgage is paid off and he has far more disposable income. He'll pay the premiums until he's ready to retire. Bob is planning to retire at 65 and draw funds from his retirement savings at that point in his life. In the same year that Bob retires, he's going to draw $8,354 from his insurance policy. These tax-free funds will enable Bob to pay taxes due on his retirement account withdrawals, thus preserving his retirement savings. And notice that the death benefit at age 65, when Bob begins the cash value distributions, grows to $425,890. And even after withdrawing the cash value from the policy death benefit still is $276,215 at age 121. Using this strategy, Bob can not only protect his family, but also his retirement savings as well. This empowers the Mortgage Magic system to help you accumulate a large retirement nest egg and protect that nest egg from dilution from taxes. This is Marv Eisen for the Mortgage Magic system. Now you know why the Mortgage Magic system virtually guarantees far more money in retirement and a secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and please share this information with your family and friends.